WE, baby.
Spend some money on just a trip away.
Welcome to Timeline Roto Sports. It's another heated episode. Episode bahali 24 ne.
Yebo.
Hey, aye. So we episode 24. Takauza?
Vede kumza?
I know. Afis katinyana.
Yeah, man. I'm a sick leave.
Yeah, I'm a sick leave. I know. Yaza mapenefit chokuba ni medical aid. Medical aid. Yeah, ish bafethu. No, asibonga.
Asibonga kumza. No, it's good to be back.
Yes. We are back, and this is Timeline Sports, episode 24. We've been away for a minute. My subscribers are cool and as but they're still growing. We are back and hoping from now going forward we will try to do better for our friends. I posted the screenshots on our page. Hey, some of our videos, they're still trending till this day.
Yeah.
So it means we need to drop more work. So that the one doesn't get, but we end on episode 24. Our first topic for today, new coach bounce, 5 wins in a row, which is killer chips. It's something that's I try but it's happening. You understand? It's happening. So the current technical team has clearly brought the discipline and belief back into the squad compared to the previous coaches. This is the most consistent run Chiefs have had in a while, but I think this is something that we've been talking about. Everyone has been talking about it. It's something we see to but I want to hear you guys. What's your take on it?
Hi, mina kuyafana kusafana yazi ghost. I think lento le is simple. I-Chiefs iqale kanje season with the same coaches, so yaphinda yenza umsangano wayo, yabuya futhi yenza the same thing, yaphinda. So inale yanto leyayo ukuthi ifuna ukuconfuse more, especially if ulandela ibhola ngama emotions nama feelings, uzoba nenkinga because of the time la uthi hey abo coach abahambe and then bayaqala baya perform, then so kumele manje siphinde sithi hayi asibanikeze chance nani khona manje ngizwa abantu bathi bazoba judge after game ye-Pirates and Sundowns, and then that's when bazo decide ukuthi bayahamba or abahambi. So mina for mina angiboni kuyinto okay, yes 5 games in a row, but ke angiboni kuyinto edinga ukuthi manje singathi hayi no iKaizer Chiefs ibuyile or something. Takauza for mina hayi mina ngibona kuyazifanela
abuyile amakhosi.
And kusizini eyi-1 leyo ngoma iqulwe over 3 times. Abuyile phela iChiefs manje akushaka i-1, so iKaizer Chiefs ibuyile.
Abuyile amakhosi, abuyile. No, I think it's good, man. It's good for South African football holistically when Kaizer Chiefs is doing well. Yeah, I believe ukuthi they're flattering to deceive, man. Labo coach, it's gonna be a difficult one for the management to make a decision. Ukuthi maybe these guys have built momentum kule season. Let's give them a run go season ezayo. We understand that because they've seen ukuthi maybe there are improvements. So it's gonna be difficult to make a decision, not unless a decision has been long made. But if they are still going to make a decision by the end of the season, it's gonna be a tricky one. Because now Amatutana will have a leg to stand on. We have improved the team. And how do we improve the team? By results. Are the results not showing what the team is doing better? The results are showing. So it's going to be a difficult one by come end of the season if a decision was not made prior to improvement, let's say, Bonamant.
And also, man, I hear you, and also now the there's another thing that we need to check as well, because obviously people are all about mistakes.
Yeah.
Since from 2019, Chiefs are about 5 games in a row. That's number 1. So that means they broke that record from 2019 to now.
It's a long time.
It's a long time, right? So Chiefs are about one battle in the points. After 15 games, they were already accumulating more than 10 points or so. Yeah, so also it was a long time before the Chiefs would see it.
Yeah.
Now already, with this last game, of no sure to give, but one of these 5 games, definitely they broke that record from 2019. They've never won a game right?
Yeah.
I was having this argument with this by the time Chiefs Shama team as well. But those same teams that Chiefs were winning, the same team that man, Sundowns,
exactly.
Paris. So now I'm team law and Chiefs.
Yeah.
So I'm team law. Case they open the Chiefs the Chiefs win. Now I'm this other team. They
Yeah.
And look at the performance of our team now. About case they win about 1 million or whatever. They are struggling to shine the way maybe Chiefs or shine a corner this quarter. Do you get? So for me, I think I'm a coach. Yes, if in the Uchitabo coach, it's been a condition they call from Dala, it's fine. They can change them. You understand? But if any alternative or any solution towards the coach. For me, for now, she's a contestant, which is I think we've been saying we don't really think we see issue about coach because we've been changing coaches for a long time. You understand? So even if Bangashi's coach right now. What's going to happen? Because Imsan once said, even also to coach, made a machine now.
Yeah.
So the coach Lomara preseason. We'll see.
Usefaganja.
To get my point. If Abaga announced now, Abaga show anything, already was going to coach. My first 2 games season in Santa because I'm not getting a money amount. You understand? Now, who's available that giving more. You know. But to be honest, these coaches, they did better than the previous 9 coaches. They did better than Unabi. To be honest, looking at our stats.
Yeah.
Looking at our stats. Yes, the coaching is a substitute. Let's just put that aside. But our stats, people also have our stats. But looking at our stats, according to what they are doing good. If they can win today, it means they are doing good. You understand? If they can win Nabu Pirates, because right now they can win or draw the Pirates Sundowns. You understand?
They'll still be up there.
They will still be up according to me.
Yeah, mina amen. Kaizer Chiefs like nje management yonke we understand ukuthi kune problem, but for mina amachita lawa ethu still angakabi ne faith based on decision making nanani. After the interview ka Kaizer Junior about which why Kaizer why ahlala alalele to ama analyst nanani, then now it's rumored ukuthi since akhiphe that thing endlebeni that earpiece akasanto manje sebaqala ukwenza ama decision like avukile, but it like many Chiefs we still have a long way to go ne Chiefs nje ukuthi sithi hayi Chiefs singathi seyifikile lapho seyifikile straight because mhlambe game ePolokwane okay if bayawina ingasho something else, but nako still mina it's gonna take a while for me ukuthi ngibe convinced. It's gonna take a while. And also one other thing angazi ukuthi how true is it ukuthi uDylan Shepard from development and ubuyile wazongena ngapha kwi first team, so I think nongifika kwakhe futhi kwabona kuba like noshintsho nyane ngathi loba ngcono nyana, so I'm still not convinced ukuthi la majita lawa ethu lawa ukuthi kahle exactly you, because as even nama substitute wabo manje ahlaphukelwe than the way bebawenza ngakhona ngaphambilini. So asazi kodwa ithi sibanikeza isikhathi sibone after badlala ne Sundowns badlala ne Pirates then isikhathi sizosho ukuthi kwenzakalani, but for mina if bekuya ngami mina ngabe sebavayile.
Yeah. But anyway, we can't shower from food to their back to leave.
Back to leave, yeah.
The first 2 seasons, it's not people to pay. Right now, so so for me, that.
Yeah, no, but and Ukhopela once made a famous quote ukuthi stats are like a bikini. They don't reveal everything. The stats might say they are doing well, but if we're gonna go deep into it, have they won over the dressing room? Are the players now buying into their philosophy of how they want the team to play? If they have accumulated all these points and have the players on their side, I think you can give them a benefit of a doubt, because as a coach you want to have an atmosphere whereby your ideas and your thinking behind the game it's easily implemented by the players you put on the field of play. You take a player for Riding, Silva. Silva was a road runner beginning of the season. Yes, he scored 1-2 goals at the beginning, but he was not a threat. He's on 7 already, and he's challenging for a leading top goal scorer. So it shows maybe along the process of the season, he has come to understand what type of coach ba expected in from Yana as a player, and now he is able to deliver goals afunwa team. I'm just thinking, what? Well, Bona, they are not your high-end coaches, but if the results are showing, I think we can give them a benefit of the doubt. If Bakala the season from scratch.
And look at Caruso. Remember Caruso and I?
Exactly.
He was facing the same thing with Sundowns. You understand? Caruso, it was, and we thought by now
he'll be long gone.
He'll be long gone.
Yeah.
But we changed things around to get my point. So it's still there. We don't know what students are doing, but it's still there, So for me, I would say if there's an alternative, it's fine. Then they've been talking about it even way before. These guys, they can still do that. For me, whether they leave this. For me, I don't think any change at this given moment. Understand? But if you want to change coaches now, what coach they have together this season, then we go in. Then it's fine. But in mind also, don't know what's the contract between these guys. Remember who stayed was fun on happy. You understand? And don't even know why they stayed behind them. So it's very much just it's not a permanent contract. Whether winner league or not, they are leaving. There's such thing. There are such things. Whether you are winning or not, they are leaving there. So I think the guys will have to wait till for the end of the season. Sakurman in 2019, Mamelodi Sundowns since from 2019 till now, they only lost 11 games. That's another level of dominance, guys. Let's just be honest.
It's consistency.
That's another level of dominance. We can say what we like about the Sundowns. We can banter them, mock them, doing whatever, saying they're using money and whatever. But from 2019 to now, that's 6 years late or 7 years late. They've lost 11 games. How many games did they play?
It's a long time.
It's a lot of games. But they only lost 11 games. Who's season paid? How many games? 30 games.
Yeah.
Now they play good league, no 2 cups.
Yeah, no cups, no Champions League.
These guys, they've lost 11 games.
Yeah, I think it's not even about imali as but this thing, it's about the culture, a team. That's one thing that Mamelodi Sundowns has managed which by master that thing. Which okay, no maguza bani. I wanna kona manje to compare Caruso na Maplamba ngara ku Kaizer Chiefs which
Maplamba.
Maplamba. So we got to go compare na Maplamba ngara which okay na ibegana same thing. Caruso Agaga yenzi good according to me na manje ku Sundowns, but ukhona ukugrind ama results and also ukhona ukuthi okay iculture ye Sundowns iqhubeke ukuthi okay this is a winning mentality. Sundowns ine winning mentality. Whatever that they do noma bangadlala udodo ongakanani, but one thing that they need badinga ukuwina. So you don't get that to go Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ingadlala yabona khona manje iwine 5 games and then nibuye say change nje so we different team for the next 3 games or 5 games. So Sundowns mastera le anto le anu ukuthi okay whoever coach that comes in kumele understand the philosophy of team, kumele understand the culture, kuqhubeke kudlale lelo bhola lelo ukuthi if kuyashuba and then let's go back to our thing. Unga implement into yakho lapho nalapho, but let's go back to our thing. And then also even nama player bawalandayo balanda ama player azofika complement I culture ye team. So I think it's also like that thing ends ukuthi Sundowns be dominant.
Yeah, as much as people can bring in Indaba Yemali, but Sundowns always keeps the core of the team. They are not a selling team. It's very rare. Unless Sundowns release a player, you know what that player is surplus to requirements of the team. If a player is still regarded or to also deliver for the team, that player is going nowhere. Tina, as far as we might see what Dennis Onyango, Magatete Labafana, but if the team still sees Dennis Irulake. Yeah, the one from Chiefs.
From Kaizer Chiefs, yeah.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah, that one is a legend. I think he has played about 6 games in about 9 seasons. Yeah. He's good for the morale of the team in the dressing room. So, if Sundowns, once they let you go, no, but or you can still improve the team. You understand? Hence, they keep core team for the longest of time. If you can remember, if Pela 6-7 years back, Abo Hlompo was still playing, Abo Mabunda was still playing. So those were the core, Abo Langaman. They only let them go because of they have found better replacements for them, knowing what moving forward, the buzz of the team around those new recruits, what culture team is the same. So I think that's one thing Ebayens Babe consistent. It's not by luck, it's not by fluke what you can go for such a long time and only accumulate 11 losses. Yeah.
And also check how do they build or maybe replace. You will find ukuthi bakutholela boma 2 or 1 player balifake lingene libe kwi-core then khani kuzokhishwa loyana lo abamane nje bavele batetele nje nje boma 6 players 5 players ehambile kuma Sundowns ukuthi bekuyi 18 man squad abayenzi lanto lana like any other team abo Pirates bazokudedelela boma 9 players even though amanye ungabazi Kaizer Chiefs ke yona Kaizer Chiefs ingadedela yonke 45 ebalone bonke but yeah I think Sundowns man I masterile lento la sengathi na laba bangabheka
they are 10 years ahead.
Yeah,
to most teams in the PSL.
Yeah, they are.
So it means they're gonna still take the league.
League man.
Even though that was different, for this season it's a bit different. But for me, I always tell people from that I think it's been 2 years now. So 10 years ahead. Well, that's why every season by 30 league, no mistake. Now, yes, PSL it's a bit tricky.
Yeah.
So for all the teams, actually,
it's exciting.
Because no bigger than pants. About the officer relegation, I'm at team 5 or 6. And I say like now, like the other side, the last number 15, definitely score.
Yeah,
so but now number 16, man, are winning on the 3 points. We have
Pezu.
And so I think Pezu go top 5. It's a bit tricky. Now pants go. Where Amsterdam, it's a bit tricky, and because I was looking at the corner from number 1 to number 3, that's 11 points.
Yeah.
That's how many games? That's 3.5, 4 games then. And it's still 7 games to be played. So yeah, I found that before.
Yeah, it's not a given. It can still go either way.
Either way.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah. Well, those 2 teams, like number 1 and number 2, yeah, there's no way Sundowns can lose all of those games. Yes, and the Pirates can lose in order for the Chiefs to go and win the league. Because one thing about just like I'm afraid the Chiefs are so naive, man. You know?
Yeah, you calculate.
Right now, they still be good to hope. But my point is like
yeah.
Even if we can win all the games, the Pirates now if I come and kill Sundowns, you understand?
Not even all for Sundowns and the Pirates. Even if no banga lose a game 1 or so, then when we win a one game wako Kaizer Chiefs, does not mean go to win the league because kuna le 11 points gap. So le 11 points gap that means Sundowns needs to lose at least 4 games. Lose 4 games when no
out of
lose
7.
So Oguguti, it's highly impossible. Like it's like bona bayathanda nje ucalculate but ke
it keeps the morale going. Keeps the morale going.
Ukuwina kweChiefs nje kusiza umnotho nani ngibone nopetrol bathi izoyehla yabo. But for Tati League guys, no, I don't see Kaizer Chiefs Tati League. And also in terms of Gucci Sundowns, it's 10 years, it's like 10 years ahead. Yes, they are 10 years ahead, and that does not mean Gucci bazo win. Mhlambi league kuleyo 10 years later. Yes, banga lose lapho na lapho. But even if we count 10 years from now on, I think Sundowns will be logi dominate league. Mhlambi if bathi abayithathanga maybe bazo bayithatha boma 7 times, yabo bayi lose 3 times kuleyo 10 years later or 10 seasons.
So Sundowns the biggest team now.
Starting from this season.
No, it's the biggest team after 10 years.
Moving forward. Flavio da Silva, Kaizer Chiefs. I think we first saw him go pre-season.
Kusam.
And he had issues with this guy. Everyone had issues with this guy, you know? But with game time, even after preseason, I think first week he started scoring goals, right? But then now the tone has changed.
Yeah.
Towards Silva. You understand? I think now it's even worse because he came out and said, hey guys, I'm not Messi, I'm not Cristiano. You understand? I don't play fancy football, but give me a ball, I can score goals. guys. You understand? And he's scoring those goals. Kungu's position and proper. And we're talking about him of age. This guy, you hardly see him offside. You understand? So it means he's a good striker. You know? So now he played 12 matches with 7 goals. We contend that you call him books. The same guy was saying, there's no hope.
Yeah, I think, man, his style of play is a bit unorthodox, man. Like, we have never seen someone, he's lanky.
Hey, guys, wait. Did you see how passes work out like this days? Hey, you get some passes work.
I'm sure the grand sharp ukuthi that man law guma hope you know ukuthi ngwana is dangerous emoyeni yabona umjida umtholi you play them enyaweni ukhona umnandi emoyeni ukhona yabona and he's able ukuthi afaka amajita egaming even though he's not always on the ball but yabona ibhola mali yakuye I think something changed in him man but at the first game leyana esayibona Orkantian bambi ibhola umuntu speed fire nje kuphela but now you can see ukuthi ipattern ikhona ukuthi ufuna ukuthi sidlaleni kanjani sithi and then nokuthi ufuna ukuthi ibhola balilethe kanjani kuye I think manje kune understanding amongst the players for uSilva ukuthi kumele bamutilize kanjani ukuthi abe lethal for a team as a whole and I'm happy for the guy man he's coming from a foreign country to South Africa and then you are best from the minute go he has redeemed himself I mean undlula bongwana sesi ngama-goal and okay so undlula bombuthuma you understand
it's behind Urele in 2 goals
yes is on 7 Urele is on 9 Reynas is on 11 so he's there anything can still happen he can at the rate adlala ngayo he can so I mean I'm impressed so far so good I think he's a really good player
yeah no out and out strike striker yena because Kaizer Chiefs vela inasi striker so far mo checka ku list yaso kuyabo iKotari abakatholi leyo chance leyo ukuthi badlale so akakanti mina one thing engayisho I think ile uTakhaza qeda ukuyiraise manje ukuthi by the time afika I think also na understanding yebhola nanokuthi Kaizer Chiefs idlala kanjani bebangakafiki even though bangakabi kule nto because mina feel ukuthi abakajeli mana usamela thola umuntu azokwazi ukuthi adlale naye ukuthi okay combination ka Silva nobani ngiyamazi uSilva mangila ibhola ngizolibeka lapha into ezikanjalo so far akakafiki lapha because kumele ngabe at least uscore even more goals by now because out and out striker and Kaizer Chiefs these young boys amabhola amaningi ayafika eboxini but abakhona ukwa convert so yena yeah
he's there
he's there
yeah
and nanokuthi ke futhi yazi imedia iyakwazi ukuthi yenze whatever ifuna ukuyenza ukuthathela le clip leyana naleyana bayihlanganise and then mawubhekile bese uyabona ukuthi man lo muntu lo akekho so for a striker we shouldn't expect vele ukuthi kube uMessi or kube uRonaldo or yabona but those runs lawo nabo okay yabo bayawashaya ama-run bayawashaya ama-goal so for as long as ukwazi ukuzipositiona and the good thing ukuthi yabona i-play likwazi uku-avoid ama-offside mina I think ukuthi like once waba naleyo technique leyo then you are good to go because noma nini ungakora for as long as uzokwazi ukuthi ulungise i-technique yakho because emoyeni uright and then nasenyaweni uright so uTakhaza beka lokho like a-raising
no crazy man for someone who doubted him because the whole country they did doubt him.
Yeah, phela nabo makhelwane phela uyakhumbula le nto le yebhasikili kule clip le yana yabo so yeah man
they doubted him and I think it's good now to just I think maybe it's because I think you guys once said it's not like she's the big team and more figure who to adjust sometimes about the time and I think remember the knowledge was on I think now they didn't come there that it took them time. Yeah, but so I guess now, because now, besides him scoring goals, like him playing, you know, making the goals, I was scoring, like khona ukuphasa bhekeli like in the show it's comfortable, it's like composed now. Look at the goal he scored right now. Understand that goal there, he got a striker. Now 18,
10 and shoot.
Yeah, like I 10 and shoot play.
Yeah.
When the two passes tata.
Yeah, we babile. Yeah.
It's a shy, understand. Yeni look abanye abantu abangakhompose. Ngisho kafuna uzama ukushaya i-aspirine njengedobo wenza kahle. Yes, but him being that composed, then I scored that goal value. For me, it shows it's okay. I think he's getting somewhere. You understand?
Right.
Anyway, if he's scoring goals, that's what in this damn striker, man.
I'm a goal.
We heard about Drogba. Those guys were cows. But number 10, they were scoring goals, understand? So if he can score goals, for me, I think that's good.
That's how you are judged as a striker.
That's a striker. Through how goals are.
Ukuthi unama step over nani, it counts for that thing as a striker.
We just need goals.
Yeah.
You understand? Moving right along. Say, guys, let's have an honest conversation about Sipho Chai. Let's just have an honest conversation about Sipho Chai. Hey guys, there's nothing.
Yeah.
You know why I'm saying that? Man? Sometimes, you know, a good defense in a store, in a store, man, you would see, you have a good goalkeeper, I understand? Because of your defense, it's solid, you know. But with the Chai, the Paris, because Paris, they're having a good defense. They've been having a good defense, you know. They've been having a good defense. That's why I'm saying he was not that exposed. But like Paris, I'm performing that over exposed, and you get to see it. Yeah, you know. And now, if they bright, see the counter, I'm a clean sheet. You know, I think sometimes we're going to get over brand and the clean sheets being a count younger, understand? It's one of the extra technique of being a good goalkeeper. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yeah.
So right now, this count, I'm a clean sheets because I'm a clean sheet. But they gave me a player that I shine
goal on target.
You understand? But and now, which I am my friends with Pirates, but I still anyhow my comments right now. But I'm going to I would say it. I tried everybody upon. Sometimes I was supposed to show and Baba or this one game to get my point.
Yeah.
So it's really a good goalkeeper, which I know it's just an average goalkeeper.
Hey, story Sipho. Remember how Sipho got to Pirates?
Yeah.
He came from Chippa United and he was a third choice goalkeeper.
By the Sundowns, they gave him a fame. Sipho Chai.
Ngama penalty.
But that's from there he started being Usi.
Yeah, but so if you check Uguti, the third choice goalkeeper came from Chippa United to be a number one goalkeeper at Pirates. You check the level, Chip and the Pirates, and then you see what Pirates is miles ahead from Chip. But Pirates were able, you can applaud his scouting, say Pirates, what they saw something in him. But for the mere fact of what he was a third choice, Chippa United to be in number one at Pirates, it should tell you what it was a huge jump for him. So now, you need luck in football. He became lucky. He grabbed a opportunity. I told you, logo Pirates, Abu Butelezi Bafambulile. They were signed from being number one, TS Galaxy. They were thought what they'll assume a number one position with Orlando Pirates, but it didn't happen for them. Nanoma Baitoli, they are still shaky, and Usipo is now comfortable, and it defends Sipho reliable. So it made him look good. Because for Oguchi on a clean sheet, it means your defense is solid. It doesn't necessarily mean Oguchi, you kept the team in the game by having a clean sheet. You understand? Because as you said, sometimes it gave me a pair, I want a shot at goal, I want a shot on target. It's because your defense is doing the job for you. So now, over the weekend, in Richards Bay, Devon City.
Which one?
Richards Bay, yeah. Like, I think they saw something, you can't breach that defense. and then anything will happen. And it did happen.
Anyway.
You understand? Because trying to bridge that defense.
From center match.
Okay, but Mina Takaza, one thing that I will say, which we shouldn't forget, which goalkeeper, it's part of the defense now.
Yeah.
So maskulumang defense, skulumangala. I think we should include at least 6 players. The back 4, goalkeeper plus Nkayabo, depending which team is kanjani. At least like 6 players should be counted with defense. Mangabe kukhulunywa defense. So when it comes to Usipho. Yes, credit it should be given to him as well in terms of which we are commander lapaya. Last we spoke about Chipezeze, which Chipezeze is among the best and what. And I was like, I don't see Chipezeze amongst the best man. Chipezeze. I think maybe manga defending slim maybe anga consider. But so far, for me now, we also have to give credit to Sipho. Based with Ukona, we are contributing in terms of communication. Because looking at South Africa, guys, we don't have a goalkeeper. Like honestly speaking, I'm not a goalkeeper. You go to Sundowns, you even know Ronwen Williams. Okay, goalkeeper. The last time seen a goalkeeper, I think it was Itumeleng Khune with a reflexes. Someone who was with Mangabi Pola shower, we'll save her. Konupinda Buye footers will save. We don't get those now. Like currently with PSL Young, we don't get Abu goalkeeper but reflector, Abu goalkeeper but we get to Williams assista Dlale, Abe last man which at least is a Mamelodi Sundowns. But the rest of the pack for me now, I mean about fail about it. That's not goalkeeper with PSL.
You have to blame Pep for that. Pep Guardiola he messed up goalkeeping, man. He messed up goalkeeping. So every goalkeeper now thinks and believes Ugutiena is a ball-playing goalkeeper. It all started with that guy. You know, he even had the nerve Uguti go Bayern Munich because Seba win the league often Manuel Neuer Pagati for the last game, and it was like, no man, it would be like disrespecting the opponent because he believed Uguti Neuer is that good on his feet. He can play in field. You understand? So now every goalkeeper, I mean, you know your strengths. Patela kule team le ebeke coach yang confuse la team Durban City, Richards Bay, Durban City. La kuvemba khona uKit manje. Patela wanted uKit to be a ball playing goalkeeper. He lost his job for that thing. Farouk Gadodia came out and said Kit is not a ball playing goalkeeper. You cannot change him now at this big age. You understand? The coach lost his job because you can't say I build up from the back. Magabambi Pola he's from the school of Kevin Hunt. So Patera lost his job because he wanted Darren Kitty to be a ball playing goalkeeper.
It's a problem.
So it shows Abanya they know their strengths. You can't just do it because a trend ends everyone.
So, Osipho, do you think with him, Pirates is the only option?
Osipho. Yeah, it's only Sipho. Actually, like
if someone has the back of Pirates,
Ubutele has failed, man. Ubutele has been given opportunities to go chat. He hasn't covered himself in glory. Like, yes. A goalkeeper once as a teammate na supporter you you are not you'll never play that game well. We understand.
But also kumbulu ukuthi lento leyo goalkeeper kayijwayelanga le which bamshaya from like outside, so akusinto ejwayelekile ayenzeki then there ku PSL. So mayenzeka that's when amabhola azongena because imthola off guard. Even was it Stellenbosch, they did the same with Peterson le goal la Titus. It was the same thing which ngaso sikhathi leso yena usazama organize I defense yakhe ukuthi okay ningavuli imbobo nana wathatha opportunity, the boy was shooter, and then langena because of ngaleso sikhathi lesingqondo yakho wena usabheka ukuthi expect ukuthi lisazodlalwa basazofuna ukusondela basazomakwa abayenzeni. So that's why some ngingamblame kangako, but mina I feel ukuthi if maybe let's say Pirates ithenga uChipezeza for example, uzohlala ebenchini.
There's a team that's gonna buy him. I think there's a team that's gonna buy it because obviously the ones that go in there. But there is a team that's gonna buy it.
But you can't buy Chipezeza to come improve your goalkeeping department.
I think with the age and maturity nanani, the only thing uChipezeza anayo ile yokulala le othanda ukulala. But besides that, yena unawo ama reflection yana wobu goalkeeper with a good defense.
Go Black Label lama yazi khona udlalele 100,000 lapho ngeke ubuye.
So then uzobahola 100,000 vele kubhakania, so uzobadlala 100,000 every day. So uzokhuphuka. Yeah, I think also I'm not saying Chipezeza is the good goalkeeper or is the best goalkeeper, but I think angaba ngcono with a good defense. No.
Moving right along, Madrid and Barcelona out of Champions League. I think I got a days where those big teams are dominant, isn't it?
Yeah, Yazmina, Chico, I just want to be fair with you, man. The format, a Champions League, man. You know, you find Uguti today udlala ubani nobani. When it was normal Champions League group stages, you know, which two teams go up, they go to the last 16, from there to the last 8. Hey, man, it's something long, man. It's diluted. Yeah, man, it's diluted, the Champions League. I said that thing. You know, when the Champions League was the Champions League, you knew, we start from here, we go there, you go there, and then. But man, it's so I understand the woman myself. But coming to Real Madrid and Barcelona, I think Real Madrid, they thought they are signing a player that's gonna improve their team.
Who?
Mbappe.
Okay.
Mbappe left PSG and PSG won the Champions League. He went to Madrid. Madrid hasn't been flourishing with Champions League.
But then even before Madrid already, you know.
No, but Madrid in the Champions League, you knew what they'll be up there, last 4. You understand? So now they got the French superstar. I think Umfana he wants everything to be centered around him. You can't build a team with a player like that. Namanje Guma international break. Kante is playing. He's a captain of the national team. He's on the bench. He's coming on, and then he signaled to a senior player like Okanto Guti Amope Ampend. He wants everything to rotate around him. The Real Madrid are gonna have a problem with Mbappe in the team. They're not gonna go very far.
And it looks like that's the league in jail.
Exactly.
You saw it Coach Alonso because for ukuhamba kwakhe I think it was something Mbappe no controller dress room yakhe. So like iqale lapho, but like also yabona the chop and changing yabona yabo coach nanani go Madrid. I think also iyo ebalethele like yonke lento because from league ihambile Madrid, you know, it as a team like a Champions League, those people even if noma banga perform a bet kangakanani, but then uyazi ukuthi ku Champions League bayazi ukuthi kumele benzeni. Like that was the like kahle kahle singathini bekuyi Sundowns yase Spain when it comes to Champions League. Those people, they know, because even nale game le Bayern, I think they were unfortunate kule game leyana because I'm a player like abuyile with yena Mbappe playing injury nani, but ke kusizile ukuthi abe khona ground because of abakhona iBayern bengakwazi ukurelaxa knowing ukuthi kunoMbappe grounding ukuyabo. So it was just that thing, they were unfortunate totally red card le yaka Kamavinga, and then bavuleke, then because bekuyidraw lapha yabo, so bekuyidraw and consider le goal yana, then obviously kumele bavuleke futhi emuva baqale bazama uku-attack bakwazi ukuthi bathola amagoli, and futhi bamisa amagoli engakibona like ukuthi kumele ngabe perhaps ba win a game yabo. So for me
to them, it's gonna win the home game. But for me, that it was a problem because I saw them the German because all of us was like, they lost. I wanted to win. They managed to destroy Bayern. Bang, you understand? Because definitely, even though they did try to shame to play the Bayern, but we also would see all knew there. It's not gonna be easy.
It's always not easy, but they've done that before. It's always not easy. They've done that before, and I think strategies are because in the first 35 seconds, it came to call. Then we know which in a strike is good, in a player good, nan bazo kora nan. But he play neabo, mena bengibona basepana based on which okay sharp as Bambela Bantu he draw, and then once Sababamba were peli game 90 minutes, then they're gonna be frustrated.
Yeah, defense will turn against them.
Yes, they're gonna be frustrated. And if Bebatilia game le peli level ngalia draw there, and then Bebazo frustrated, Maktiwa extra time, then Bebazo straight. And looking at my injuries, our Real Madrid foot, and they have a lot of injuries. Those people, a lot. I think after in Madrid, in Manchester United, team landed injury. If Abalingani or like Balapati, my injuries for Madrid are too much.
Last topic for today, I'm gonna special. I wanna pick your brain. Going back to EPSL. Top 5 goalkeepers of the season. Can we build top 5 from number 5 to number 1? Top 5 goalkeepers of the season.
Tricky one.
Keep doing it together. Unga keep it for that. We can just together. Agree. One to take low number 5. Whatever.
Who are the goalkeepers?
Challenge.
Okay. I think for me. They selected themselves. If we're going to go by the,
but also in a clean sheet and it's a hammer which how many games we've played. So especially we are top on a clean sheet, ne?
Yeah,
but udlale ama game amaning
compared to Peterson.
Yes, compared to like this keepers.
I say the spelling coach.
Lena.
Yeah. I can put him on number 5 for the season.
Leon Jeb.
Yeah.
Stephen. Yeah, Stephen. Yeah, ne?
No, I don't know what you guys think.
No, the guy is good.
So number 5.
The guy is good, and I think Mhlambe angaze anyuke nyana. Ayiphezulu. Okay, if okay, asimbeke lapho ku5 still ungana like wamshafula futhi yes. Mbeke ku5.
Number 4, the colored guy from Roman is Skukuni guy.
Skukuni Len.
Yeah,
he's had a good season. Yeah. Even called up to the national team.
Yeah,
no. I scored 2 goals, but it's fine.
Okay. Number 3
Williams.
Izonikeza unto. Bafak. Okay, sino Williams, sino Chinese, sino Peterson.
Whom do you think about number
3? Yes, I mean, I'll put Williams at 3. And not because of a capability or anything, but he hasn't had a good season. Yeah, he's our player. Yeah, he hasn't had a good season. So,
number 3,
yeah,
it's Roman, and number 2 it's always Peterson.
Then,
yeah,
that's why being in like London because of a game, I'm a game. Peterson awedlalile, nama game China awedlalile. Then I Nzuguchi.
In terms of a ratio,
then
Peterson then will be superior.
But now looking at a team as a whole, because at the end of the day, I'm clean sheet to contribute also to a team like as a whole. So that's why I will say number 3 Peterson, and then number 2 China, number 1 Williams. And then Beseng Lande Stephens from good number 5 and you miss a good number 4.
keep a school.
Keep Ulena
Ulena,
number
five.
5, yeah. Yeah, because Ulena man, I think Ulena go be
We are 4, man.
but
Number 5,
it's Lena,
number 4,
Stephens, yeah,
number 3,
Peterson,
number 2,
Chiney,
number 1.
Williams.
Do you agree?
No, angeke Williams. Angeke avuma. But one good thing ngo Williams, man, like as I'm saying, which Mauno Williams una that extra man,
Yeah.
So that's the good thing. I ukuthi bonke labo goalkeepers khuluma ngapha abakunikezi yonke le nto leya.
Okay. Dakauza. See, shout out number 1.
Yeah, it top 3 remains. It's Williams, Peterson, no China.
Number 1, China.
Yeah.
So in difference with them, issue number 1, man.
Top 3 actually diff.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Yeah.
So who do you put when I go top 3?
The number 3, I'll still go Hassan. Number 3, number 2, Williams, number 1, China.
Ash.
Yeah.
For me.
I China man I. China ngathatha number 2.
I'm also bringing judging it but looking at the season and everything, him the ball, but
Yeah.
number 1 you can just no one. Let's just be honest, it doesn't been good season like that. And now Ronwin Nai Omunich. That's what Mukuma Martin is not even Arabic.
Yeah.
You understand? So that just there we left with Uchai.
Yeah.
That's very makes sense.
But it goes.
And also looking at Amakoda, consider what I said now, where Yamako and looking at Mama came about losing, because most of the games about losing, we are going to for my told you how many games, 2 games, 3 games, after losing the line. Yeah, but most of the games are losing, we are through, let's just be honest. Yeah, but for me, that's I can see number 1, Chinese, 2, Roman, 3 pieces, and then the rest will be on a point. Sure.
Yeah.
Well, next week, let's have, I think we're going to have Naomi midfielder. Then, so
Defense.
let's watch some games this week. But still, I see.
All right.
See, okay. About number 6, who's the best? And so, season here, who's one of my hours. And we obviously, now we're going to start debating. Let's start
Team of the season.
Well, team of the season. Coach of the season. I understand. We need to start having that competition now. For some games that done. I think in 3 weeks, or in 4 weeks, or in a month, some games are working. Like properly.
Yeah.
In closing, Spencer.
Shazin bafethu mina ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi siyaclose la ngabe ngizana ama plug card wami bafethu namanje ngisa sticker futhi
Hey, for God, yeah, we have you. We said there's a usually umloyile that he's going make his fraud and whatever.
kumele besides actually bonke labantu laba ba corrupt anyway so amakhehla bafethu nabo Ivan Khoza masikhuluma ngamakhehla sababala nabo Ivan Khoza iPSL irana like ngenye indlela even like namanje yes we understand ukuthi Sundowns was disturbed ngendaba yeCAF na but looking at ama games now we Sundowns the way like angakhona yabona ukuthi manje idinga ukuthi squad sabo sivuleke and also they are giving uKhado so reason ukuthi makungayenzeka anything lapha uzocomplain ngalento ukuthi ama game wambe wala eduze yabona into kanjalo so somehow we need ukuthi si manje sike sithola abantu abazocabanga let's be ahead we have our teams are 10 years ahead but then management it's 100 years back so it does not make sense abo for mina amakhehla bafethu amakhehla I must fall
two things Umama Joy bafethu Umama Joy asimkoloti anything
whoa
Umama Joy makafuna ukuye World Cup in makazibhadalele yeah
Yeah, she got
yeah but let it not be our responsibility sonke siyahalela ukuhamba ne national team maya kuma tournaments but we not out there crying ukuthi we
some super favorites.
no futhi oqala akusisu Umama Joy
no man
yes there was a quiz nge World Cup
oh yeah ngibonile eyakanto yaka Michael Motin
cabanga
you can't remember ukuthi you bayakupha ukuthi umbazo you can't say ukuthi umbazo Aaron Mokwena who was the national team captain and
bese uthi super fan
come on so I believe ukuthi they've had their fair share man yokuba ama super fan. I think it's about time ukuthi ku introduce abanye abantu. We not say mabangayi, but they've been to cricket World Cups, rugby World Cups, soccer World Cups. There are other fans.
You know, with me, on this part, I'm a super fan. I don't think I can say, but I can agree with you. Let's have other people.
Yeah, let's give other people a chance.
So I always say, every day, every game, whatever, you know. But can stand you know, I'm a super fan.
Yeah, manje bona baba sebayenza ngathi
It's very important. If you're a super fan, you should have not a bit of knowledge, more knowledge. Tina, we have a right to have a bit of knowledge about football. Because you're not super fans like that, you understand? But well, if I'm a super fan, it means you should know everything. It's a must.
And but it was general.
yeah, understand.
So I think, but I believe there are a lot of guys who knows everything, who dies and read football, understand? Those guys should be get those opportunities.
So to the guys who are at the stadiums all season long, irrespective of which team is playing. Yeah, understand. So might be entitlement. I have a problem with that. It might not be entitlement to what they must go. There are other fans in fact, Mabapi chance. Those guys they've had their fair share of traveling in the national team at the taxpayers' expense. So Mabapa banyabantu chance. Maguguti a minister if you guti ofunu kusebenzisa ama influencer as she say. Then let the minister use ama influence as long as ama influencer aya stadium. Abazoyenza ukuthi i-national team i-trend mayidlala and abantu bakhona ukuba ne-interest, let it be. So angafeel ukuthi yena she has a birthright uku-attend ama-tournament we-national team. It's not like that. Lastly, hey man, player lamele ahamba laphana kukhosi man, uSirino.
What's going?
Yeah, Italy. Yeah, he signed a 2-year contract. Yeah, man, he didn't cover himself in glory la pane natural, but he was one player. Change of scenery maybe will do him well or can't. So, the way player he carried our team for the longest of time. He was our go-to guy. So to see him leave the shores, man, it's a bit.
No, but it's good because I think
it was stagnant. Yeah.
Next season looks about it.
Yeah.
Because even now, I don't think this is space for selling leaderships.
No.
So sometimes you know if you're a star and the team you flourish without you.
You should check yourself. Yeah. But other than that, on my side,
Thank you, my friends. This is Samdan Radio Sports, and this was episode 24. Can't wait to episode 20, and we are targeting 1,000 subscribers. I'm hoping by end of this year, so essentially 1,000 subscribers. If you can just try and make sure we push 1,000 subs to a shire. That's the target. That's the target name. Just 1,000 subs. I think we are left with 170 subscribers to 1,000 subs. You know? So if we can get that, then we not. But nonetheless, we are here. Peace.
Oi.
Spent some money, just a trip.